And welcome back, folks. So this week's Thundering Thursday, we're having another unboxing of the Flames of War introductory set. So this is the Fury set, which doesn't come with the Fury tank, which is strange because the Fury itself was the high velocity version of this Sherman M4, but this comes with 3 standard cast hull M4s and 2 StuG assault guns. So let's have a close look at what we get inside. I'll be right back. And welcome back. So yes, this is this year's update of the old Open Fire set, also known as the Tanks set. And thank you, Ida. Let's have a look at what we get. So we get the all-important bubble wrap, and lots of wonderful things. So as usual, we get the dice bag with 3 green and 3 grey. Then we get the 3 Sherman and the 2 StuGs. So we'll have a close look at those in a moment. First, let's have a look at what we get in the bag. So what's becoming quite common now with Battlefront is this set of Battlefront scenery, digitised photos of actual models available from Battlefront. We have 2 cottages and a church, some walls, objective and other markers. And then we get the introductory book with the important link for the full rulebook PDF download, which is available in English, French and German. So we get the instructions for the StuG and the Sherman, and then we get the first game with details on how the unit cards work, and then a couple of extra missions, and then getting you, always on the upsell, getting you to look at the Fortress Europe set, which I've already unboxed. So you can find the video for that before you decide to buy it. So we get the unit cards for the StuG and the Sherman. So, and on the back we get the unit cards rather than the individual tank cards. So for a change, we do actually get 2 legal units that are quite balanced. Two StuGs come to 11 points and the 3 Sherman come to 10 points. So, and this does include some of the special rules that affect the vehicles themselves. So, right. And onto the actual models. So with the StuGs, we get a twofer. That is a 2 for 1. So I believe they are 2 slightly different versions. At this point, I can't really see. Oh yeah, there is some variations in the top of the hulls. So, but we do get the anti-tank gun and the howitzer versions, which is great. And then we only get the 1 set of tracks and side skirts, etc. But that's not an issue, because what we can do is use the spare hull, for whichever one we don't use, to create dug-in units, which is something I'll be doing when I come to painting them. So, yeah, as with the previous version, we do get some stowage of types, which enables us to personalise the models further. And onto the Shermans. Now, those of you that have viewed this channel before, my last set of Shermans, which I think was the 2012, well, my original set, should I say, was 2012 Shermans, and they'd actually buckled. They were both from the early Hit the Beach and Tanks or Open Fire starter set. But these look like they're clean, up-to-date sculpts and casts. These are 2017 tooling. So we get a couple of barrel versions, the usual open and closed hatch, and that's about it for options. We do get 2 pintle mounted machine guns that to me look identical, but they know that these do get damaged, which could be why they provided 2 per sprue. So we get 3 of those. All in all, well worth the 30 quid. Unless you've got a printer, of course, 3D printer, of course, in which case probably print your own off, but where would the fun be in that? So, feel free to hit the subscribe button, stay up to date with my unboxing, painting, and now the shed quarters is finished, some gameplay videos. So, we'll see you soon.